Hello there, NeoTrader members. This is Dr. Narayan coming to you once again for another session on features of NeoTrader. And today I'm going to be sharing with you uh, some facets about an area which most people have asked. So I thought I'll do it. And it is called Ichimoku studies, right? What is Ichimoku? Ichimoku is a Japanese charting style, and it means one glance chart. It means that one glance you will come to know everything that you need to know about a stock. So, what is there in a chart? The chart has the past, it has the present, and then you make a scenario for the future. But the Ichimoku chart also has the future end. So it is one of those unique tools, right? Now, this is not going to be a presentation on Ichimoku. Rather, this is going to be a kind of a tutorial on how you can use the Ichimoku page on NeoTrader. Okay. So we are going to be looking at NeoTrader's very powerful, right, Ichimoku page. I can say with complete confidence that you will not find anywhere in any software the kind of comprehensiveness of Ichimoku analysis that I have built into NeoTrader. And that also is because Ichimoku is one of my favorite charting tools. And I refer to the Ichimoku style of charting very, very often. And it gives me tremendous insight into what the stock is doing. All right. So let's go and see what this Ichimoku uh, is all about. So for that, let me go to a new screen share. So I trust you're all able to see this. So now you're on your NeoTrader screen. This is the uh, the dashboard page. So what you need to do is come down here to the analyst zone, and then if you look at it here, you have the Ichimoku dashboard. So if you click on the Ichimoku dashboard, this entire page will show up here. It has a lot of controls here, and it has the output from those controls which will be featured here. And there are many pages over which these outputs will be indicated. And many pages are required because we are giving you Ichimoku information over different time frames, which are 30, 60, daily, and weekly, right? So four different time frames of Ichimoku readings are what are available. Now, if you wish to know, you can go to the PDF file which is here, and then you will be able to see that. And then there is a video also available here, and that video is also in Hindi. So you can watch this video where it will detail what is what, right? So you have a PDF file available, you have a video available to bring you up to speed on what Ichimoku is, right? And now Ichimoku, just to have an idea of how Ichimoku looks, let me just show you a chart. If you can of course invoke the chart from here, go to the charts, right? And then you can look up POD charts or real-time charts. Both of them will give you Ichimoku, right? But I have the chart ready here, plotted with Ichimoku already, and this is what the Ichimoku indicator looks. You just add it on TradingView. It's available on all software. Now, Ichimoku has got this, like I said, it is past, present, and future. So if you look at where the prices are right now, right, that is, let me change the color and make it black. This is the present. Okay. This is the present. This is the future. And this is the past. So the Ichimoku has got certain sets of lines. So you got two lines here and you got two lines here. Then you have a set of two lines here, which takes care of the future. These lines take care of the present. And then you got one line here, which takes care of the past. All these are carrying Japanese names, and there are English translations also available for the same. So when you look at this at one go, you will be able to, get hold of all the things that you want at one shot. That is the past, present, and the future, right? All of them at one go. That is what you will actually get here. So what you want to do here is take this and why is it not clearing everything? Let me see. It's supposed to. Anyway, oh yeah, it's not clearing because it's not on this. Sorry about that. So if you take all of these, right, and you have the past, present, and future, right? So everybody got what I said. So this is how the Ichimoku looks. Now these two are called the TS and the KS line. Okay, this is the TS line, standing for Tenkan-sen, which is the short term, right? And this is the KS line, Kijun-sen and the Tenkan-sen, right? And sorry, it is the, and then you have here what is called as the CS line. So Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen, and Chiku-span, right? And then here you have something called SA and SB, which is Senku span A and Senku span B. Now Senku span A and B is equal to what is known as the cloud. All right. So these are the various lines. So this is the cloud. And now you will notice that, this part of the cloud, or this part of the cloud, it's all projected into the future. That means this is the same cloud which is here, right? And that is projected into the future, right? Now, this is another line. The CS line is something which takes a reading from here, the current price, and projects it into the past. So you have all data derived from the present. Some are plotted in the present, some are plotted into the future, and some are plotted into the past. That is the basis for the Ichimoku system. Now, for more details on this, you'll have to either look at that video or you'll have to read up. There are lots of stuff. Now, if you really want to learn about Ichimoku in full detail, then check out my own video course, right, on Ichimoku. This is my own video course. You can go to our site and purchase this. This is one of the most complete explanations with lots of examples and nuances that exists on the subject of Ichimoku. And this video, if I'm not mistaken, is at least about 3 hours or more perhaps. And you can view it at leisure. You can buy this and you can view it several times over because you will have lifetime access if you buy the course. So this video course of mine is available. And what I have done is taken the entire set of things that I know and that which I could code, I have got it into NeoTrader. That is what I have done. Okay. So the NeoTrader Ichimoku page is something that you can take a look at. So I showed you how to come to this page. Now what I've done is I've divided it into filters and signals. Okay. And there is specific filters, there is specific signals, and there are general filters. Okay, all right. So as in anything else in NeoTrader, you can choose your your universe on which to apply all this. You can search for signals by individual stocks. You can choose different times. If you want to look at only weekly data, put off all these, or you can select all and it will show you all, and you can see bearish signals or bullish signals depending upon the nature of the market, or you can see all the signals. So it's a very, very flexible framework. And whatever you choose here, it will, show up on the screen out here, right? So if you put it on right now I'm not on it, so that is why you're not seeing anything here. So once you put the trades on, then it will start showing you the trades which meet all those criteria. It will come up here. Okay. So that way you will be able to see all the stocks in your favorite list. So this is the introductory part of the video, and I trust you had some idea about what is captured in the NeoTrader software. So you can look at the cloud, you can look at TSK's action, you can look at the Chikou span action. Another Japanese word for the cloud is Kumo, and there is a situation called the Kumo twist. You can look at each of them as bullish or bearish, right? And then you can add filters, and those filters are with respect to the cloud, with respect to each other, etc. And then you have general filters talking about the thickness and thinness and the slopes of various lines. So all these I will explain one by one. So this is going to be a multi-part explanation video about Ichimoku, and I trust you will, as you go along this, you will find that Ichimoku page in NeoTrader is an extraordinarily powerful page, and if you get to know it well, then this can be a complete standalone trading system, investing system for you. It'll do absolutely everything that you need to get done in the market. All right. So I will end video number 1 here with this introduction, and we can look at more videos ahead.